Hi people, this is Nery again. Okay, it's 12 o'clock at night and I'm doing alcapuria. What is alcapuria? You'll see tomorrow. Today I'm doing this is bananas and plantain mixed in all together. I do this in my blender. I had a little bit of water, and I just put it in there, and I use the section where it says to crush ice. I use that one, and I'll be moving it from the corners, pushing it in the middle, and as you can see right there, it's nicely mixed. So now I'm gonna season it. I have adobo here, right here. I have garlic. I have recao. If you don't have recao, you could mince pieces of peppers and stuff, because this has everything. It has peppers, it has coriander, it has everything. This is an easy way that we do, so we don't have to chop every day that we cook. We just have it there, we just dump it there, and that's it. It's an easy way to cook. Also, I gotta go and get it, but I have basil, I have oregano. This time I'm not gonna put from outside. I'm gonna be putting the powdery one, because it's gonna be too big. Some is gonna be big, some is gonna be small. I rather use the envelope of that, and pepper. So it's oregano, basil, and pepper. I'll be adding. Plus, I'll be also adding the coloring, coriander and annatto. Those are the two main ingredients there. The annatto is the coloring. So now I'm just going to add all this, mix it up, and you have to leave it a few hours in the refrigerator. I'm going to cover it up. Then tomorrow we're going to do the alcapuria. Yes, I have to do the meat. So I'll do it tomorrow. I don't want to dirty the stove at this moment. So I'll be doing it tomorrow. We'll be blending it, and we'll be cooking it and give it that nice taste. But for now, I want to fix this, that it has all the ingredients. A lot of people don't do this kind of stuff. They don't season this thing, right? But a lot of people do. Some people just put salt, other people put other stuff. Me, I like it really seasoning, garlic, coriander, everything, the works. I even put sofrito. And when my mother came, she loved it. She loved the way I did it. So that means that I have mom's approval. So now all I'm going to do is just mix it up, and then I'll show you. Okay, so you take around the size of this, as you can see how long it is. Let me put it right there. I don't know if you can see because it's transparent, but it's this big. This is wax paper, yeah. This is wax paper. But I take this, then I bend it in half, and then I'm going to cut it here. It gives me for 2 alcapuria. As you can see, I have some there. I got the mixture here, and I'm just going to make a few. And this thing, I could put it in the freezer. It came out a little watery, which it bothers me because I like it for it to be hard and a little consistent. But I think it was that the bananas were a little getting ripe, and that's why it got like that. But what can you do? I'm still gonna eat it. I don't care. So let me do this part, cut this, and show you how I make it. Well, you see it frying right now. Look how delicious it looks. And you could deep fry this. I don't deep fry it because it takes too much oil. So I just do it this way. But it gets a little darker than that. I'm just turning it over and over so it could cook good. So, and another thing, this is the wrap, all torn up. That's why it's very hard to sometimes take it out. You have to be very careful. You have to have patience to take it out. Okay, so now I'm gonna eat. It's delicious. It has a lot of seasoning, like I like it. I like it a little darker than most people. But that's how I like it. You could do it lighter. You don't have to do it dark or, you know. But the main thing is that the meat, the mixture inside will be cooked. It tastes great. So I'm gonna leave it because I eat my breakfast. Okay, so bye bye. God bless you all.